get the better clarity. So it means student post detailed learning requirements on that particular platform. These are all the things. And after the tutors and training institution registration, create detailed profiles, respond to these requirements. These are all the services they are providing. This is a complete information overview about this company. Next, the founded Rakesh Kalra. Maybe you can able to see all his information, but you should be knowing these information. Now, everyone, you get an idea? Brief about the company. Everyone, please do reply everyone. At least thumbs up so that I can able to see everyone. There is some video problem. I don't know what is the video issue. Shall we continue? Yes, that's great. Next. What they expect from the freshers that I will tell. See here. See, any company you go, they will be having few expectations from your end. Sir, what are all the expectations? Carefully, if you concentrate, the expectation from freshers at the UrdanPro. Here, maybe the passion for teaching or mentorship, they are focusing on this one. And if you have passion about the teaching, and if you have the passion about the mentorship, 100% this company will give more priority for you. Point number one. Point number two, you should be enthusiasm and you should be self motivated all the times. That is what they are expecting. And adaptability in the sense, for example, maybe you join to this company after 1 month, they will tell you need to learn this technology immediately. You should be adapt to that one immediately, and quickly you try to learn and complete. That is what they are telling, adaptability. And flexibility in the working hours means, for example, there is no restrictions. For example, you may tell, sir, morning 9 o'clock, it is not possible to come. Don't worry. You come at 10 o'clock, there is a flexibility, timings will be there for you people. That is what they are telling. And they want good communication skills. You should be having very good communication skills. So clear and effective communication is crucial. That is what we are telling. Next, willingness to learn. And if you are working somewhere after you get into the company, maybe don't think that 100% you cannot give. Maybe while you are doing any work, like that manner, if I tell, you committed some mistake, and it means what they are telling here is, see here, willingness to learn and take the feedback. Maybe your higher authorities, they will give the feedbacks. So you have to collect these feedbacks and try to implement, try to improve yourself. That is what they are telling. What now? Willingness to learn and take feedback. So like that, you will be having deliver quality lessons and professionalism and reliability, building profiles in according to the industry standard. These are all what now? These are all the things they are expecting from the freshers. Everyone understood this one? Any doubts you have in this section? Please do reply. No doubts. I will take the discussion forward. Yes, I'll continue. Thank you. I'll continue. Next. This is all about expectation. Now, not only that, the work culture at the, remember, if you go any company, not only this company, every company will have their own work culture. Work culture in the sense, their rules and regulations will be there. You need to follow those rules and regulations. That is what about work culture. Okay, sir, what work culture? See here, work culture about flexible teaching hours and good platform for teaching. Maybe mixed feedback on the management you have to take up, and student focus. You should be always student focused. And these are all what now? Their work culture. So once you go to this document, you will get the better picture. What is their work culture? You have to adjust to that work culture, because once you get into the company will have so many rules and regulations. But one thing I can tell, you cannot tell that, no, I will not follow this rule. You should not tell like that. First only you should be knowing all these informations. Everyone, you got my point? At least little bit idea you got, right? Shall I continue? Everyone, please reply. Only one or two people thumbs up. What about others? Are you sleeping? That's great. Next, keep on noticing now here. And after that, here, the first round. Anyway, you have completed the first round, correct, right? The aptitude test and coding round, you have completed, correct, right? Anybody is there, sir? I have not completed the first round. Any students are like, anyway, everyone, you have completed the first round, right? Typically, that happens to your aptitude round and what now? The coding round, multiple questions, correct, right? So let us not speak about the first round. Anyway, you have next. Here, second round happens to be your technical interview. That it happens to be what now? It is also virtual. Now, before I take the discussion forward, tell me, you are only telling you have gone through the JD. Can you tell me what skill sets they are asking? Please reply in the chat. Everyone, please reply in the chat. No, just I'm asking. I know you have completed. Don't take me wrong. So you have completed. I know. Simply ask this question again. Don't get confused. I hope you got it, everyone. Again, now what skill set they are asking? Anyone? Can anybody tell me? What skill set they are asking? You are only telling, so it is about Java, data structure, correct, right? These skill set only they are asking, correct, right? Oops concept. Now, let us try to give one better clarity. For example, if you are attending the technical interview, now everyone listen to this point very carefully. You are attending that. I will speak about the technical interview. Please listen to me. Here, what happens? This is the round one. This is not a technical interview too, I have told, but sorry for that. Whatever you are seeing, it is not technical interview two. This is interview one. There is a mistake here. I'm really sorry for that. This is technical interview one. Everyone got it? Here, this is technical interview. This is round two, but it is technical interview one. It is. Sorry for my mistake. You got it, everyone? It is a technical round one. Understood? Don't get confused. This is a technical round one because there is a documentation time. There is a spelling mistake. Yeah. But remember one thing. Suppose if they ask any technical questions, maybe they will ask, what you mean by object orientation in the technical round? And here, what you should do, one general tips I will give. You leave about this technical round, you leave. One tips I'm giving. If they ask any question to you, remember, don't tell one word answer. You got my point? At least if they ask any question, at least 5 to 10 minutes you explain. Sir, how, sir? For example, they will ask object orientation. You tell, sir, this is one style of the approach to give solutions for the real world problems. And after that, you tell, sir, object orientation will be having so many rules. And you know, so many rules, class will be there, object will be there, and pillars of the object orientation explain encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction. After that, you only tell, sure, shall I write the code and explain? Like that, you impress the interviewer. Understood my tips point, everyone? Don't tell one word answer. I hope you got it, everyone. Do reply. That's great. Now, this is about the round two. It is technical interview one. It is not two. It is there is a spelling mistake. This is what now? The technical interview one. Now, what they can expect? Interview for technical interview is conducted virtually. What you can expect? See here. Assessment of your fundamental technical knowledge relevant to the role, such as programming skills. Maybe they will ask some questions about the algorithms, maybe data structure, and basic problem solving. That is point number one. These things you should learn and go. Again, one more request before you attend the drive. Completely you revise end to end. In front of the interviewer, don't tell, sir, this concept I don't know. No, you should not tell like that. Confidently, you tell the answer. Everyone, promise me before you attend this drive. Will you revise confidently and will you go? Will you put your hard work? Please do reply in the chat, everyone. I don't want thumbs up. I want reply. Everyone, confidently will you attend the drive? You will revise and go? Please, I need an answer from your end. Because simply if you attend it, it doesn't serve any purpose. Yes, promise. Yes. Yes, that's great. The Josh should be there in the life. Yes, that is very good. Now concentrate here. So, discussion on academic project. For example, you have done any your projects, or if you have done any internship or any relevant hands-on experience. So, they will ask these questions which specific to your project, internship, or relevant hands-on experience. And after that, some of the live coding questions they might ask to test your ability, write syntactically correct or efficient code you are writing. For example, I will ask you to write one program. Remember, you should not write so many lines of the program. Efficient way you should write the program. I hope you got my point. And after that, questions related to understanding of computer science concept like OOP concept, maybe your database SQL concept. Sometimes they might ask web technology. That depending on the position they will ask next. Here, clarification of your approach to technical challenge and problem solving. Remember, if you go any round it is, they will check only one thing, that is all about. What now? The communication skills, how you represent in front of the interviewer. That is very, very, very important. You got my point, everyone? Everyone? You got it? That's great. Now, see here, it is important to prepare by brushing up all the fundamental topics before you attend the drive. Next, this is a round 3. Now, technical interview 2. See, in the technical interview 2, what they will do, you need to explain any concept in detail. The memory level also, what is happening, that you should explain. You should be more confident enough while you are attending the technical round 3, that is a technical interview 2. Here, what they are checking carefully, if you observe here, in-depth technical question related to your core area. Maybe it might be programming language or it is data structure, algorithms, relevant to what they are telling, related to your core areas they are telling. Next, carefully if you observe, you might be asked, carefully observe here, you might be asked to solve coding problems live while sharing your screen or through an online coding platform. They will use one scenario. First, you should understand the scenario first. What scenario they are giving? Point number 1. Point number 2. After that, you convert that scenario into coding. However, you feel you should not write the coding. Efficient code you should write. That is what they are expecting from your side. Next. And after that, as normal, depth knowledge they will check. Next. Questions could involve explaining your problem solving approach, coding best practice, discussing on project internship you have completed. Remember, in engineering days, you have completed the project before you attend the drive. One time, anyway, in your resume, you would have mentioned about your project. One time, you should know each and everything about your project, what you have done in your project. Again, they might ask. And after that, maybe these are all what now, that maybe database queries, maybe SQL, they will ask, explain this query, how to insert, how to retrieve, how to join two tables, why you are using the constraints, and those many things they will ask. And behavioral questions, some of the behavioral questions they will ask, maybe